This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund for an item you've ordered on Amazon. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Let's get started. Go to Amazon.com. Make sure that you're logged in. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see returns and orders. You can also click on accounts and lists and click on orders. It will bring you to the orders page. The most recent orders first. Now, one thing you should be aware of is that not every item can be returned for a refund. It's only recent items. In this case, it's items that are left that were delivered within a month. So basically, let's say I wanted to return these socks and get a refund. Click on return or replace items. Okay. You'll see a continue button, but you can't click it. What you want to do is select this. Select the check mark, and then it says, why are you returning this? Choose a response. Okay. Let's say that they were defective, or maybe they're too large. You can leave a comment here. I'm not going to do that. Continue. Now, Amazon doesn't want to give you money back. They want you to actually take another version of this particular item. And what they'll ask for is, say, do you want to exchange for a different size or color? And then you can choose the item. They say it's most convenient, but let's say you just want to get the money. You'd select refund to your Amazon balance, and then you click continue, and it would take you through the steps to do that. Now, what it will require you to do is actually to return the item. See how it says items you're returning? You have to return them. Amazon's not just going to give you your money back. You have to return them. You have to return them first. And basically what they'll do is you'll be able to either drop off the item at an Amazon return center, sometimes, for instance, at a Whole Foods supermarket, or you can mail it back. They'll let you print out a mailing label and you send it to them. And once they get it, and they'll verify that you returned it, then you'll be able to get the refund. It's a little bit different if the supplier is actually a third-party seller. There may be some additional things that you need to do to get the refund, but if Amazon was the seller of record, these are the steps that you would follow to get your Amazon refund. If this video helped, if you could take a moment to like it and follow me, that would be great. Also, if you look on our official website for In 30 Minutes Guides, you can see that we have all kinds of guides related to demystifying technology. Google Drive and Docs in 30 minutes, Microsoft Word in 30 minutes, books on Twitter and LinkedIn, and many other topics as well that are mildly complicated. This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. If you could like and subscribe before you go, I'd appreciate it, and I shall see you next time.